Hey y'all, this is Darryl. I've got an old GE motor on the bench today, and I've got it hooked up to a test lead here. Wires are in bad shape, but I've got a test lead here. I'm going to plug it in, and we'll see what we've got. Okay. So we've got some pretty bad whining in there. Bearings are pretty badly worn. So I'm going to strip this down, take it all apart, make new bearings for it, front and rear. We'll get all new thrust washers in there, get everything aligned and adjusted, and put it back together and see what we've got. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let me point out that this is a 1908 GE motor, and in 1908, GE used an internal centrifugal start switch. And you'll notice that this thing is spring-loaded right here on both sides. This switch slings open as the rotor starts to spin. And what it does, this little piece here, it's got contacts there. It mounts inside the back of the end bell back here. And as this starts to rotate, this slings open and it breaks contact with the start windings. And when it opens, it breaks with the start and it makes contact with the run windings. So there will be a certain amount of clackety-clackety-clack you'll hear, a certain amount of sort of a grinding noise that you'll hear when this motor starts up and starts, but not while it's running. Hey guys, okay, so we got the motor back together. We've got new front and rear bearings in it. There's the old ones that come out of it right there, pretty badly worn. It's a 2-conductor head wire, so we don't have to go through the switch to test it. We can just use a couple of alligator clips and a little test lead right here. So I'm going to plug it in and let you watch it run. There you go. Now, these 1908 motors had an internal centrifugal start switch, and upon starting and stopping, you may hear a little clackety-clackety-clack. This one's not too loud. The GE motors tend not to be as loud as the Westinghouse motors. Those Westinghouse motors, those switches really clackety-clack whenever they're starting and especially when they're stopping. See if you can hear this when it finally stops. Okay, did you hear that little bit of just a little bit of grinding sound? That's that switch opening and closing. So this shaft has to come almost to a complete stop before that switch will close. But you will hear just a little bit of rubbing as that switch closes and starts making contact again. Okay, all right, guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.